In the last few years, India has made remarkable progress in bringing electricity connections to crores of citizens. The infrastructure of electricity generation and transmission is also being augmented at war footing, as the demand of electricity in India is growing at a rapid pace. The International Energy Association, in its recent report, states that India's energy requirement will be the largest of any country in the world for the next 20 years. To meet the surge in electricity demand, India has been focusing on renewable sources of energy, which are cleaner to generate and more sustainable in the long run. The objective is to decrease the country's dependence on expensive fossil fuels, which till today supply some 70% of all electricity in India. So in this two-part series for Science for a Self-Reliant India, we take a close look at hydropower generation. Our team travels to the border of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh to bring you an exclusive report on India's biggest hydroelectric project, the Shubhanshri Lower Hydroelectric Project. Situated on the Shubhanshri River, which flows down from the Himalayan mountains from Tibet into Arunachal Pradesh and then to Assam, where it merges into the mighty Brahmaputra. This massive project, with a total capacity of 2,000 megawatts, will supply some 7,400 million units of electricity every year once it is fully operational.
Shubhanshri Hydroelectric Project is the biggest hydroelectric project in India. So far, this is the project which contains a 250 megawatt machine, which is the biggest machine till date in India. It is unique in the sense that once it will be completed, this will be the biggest hydroelectric project in India, which will be generating more than 7,200 million units per year.
The Shubhanshri Hydroelectric Project is being constructed and supervised by the National Hydroelectric Power Corporation and infrastructure contractors like Patel Engineering. NHPC is India's largest hydroelectric PSU and is working to realize the Government of India's mission of Atmanirbharta by working to achieve the target of building some 21,000 megawatts of renewable electricity generation by 2030. This and much more on this exclusive episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India. So keep watching.